It's a privilege. No, I'm just kidding. But it is. So now we have, for the Indian guys, you guys can get loud now. We've got 8-inch lower pods. Come over here real quick. So coincidentally, the 8.8s fit in here too. And you can buy the tweeter, the adaptive tweeter, where you can put a horn on it, or you don't have to buy it. And we also sell grills. They don't come with grills. Let me show you over here. So we just put some speaker in there just to show you. So these are our grills, and this one doesn't have the tweeter on the side. Over here, we left a big space for your highway pegs. We thought of everything. But these things, if you look at them from over here, they're pointing right up, tilted in, right at your face. I mean, honestly, if you just put these lowers on, you don't need anything else. I mean, you really don't even need that in there. It's going to be so loud in your face, you're not going to believe it, if you use the right speakers. But anyway, check it out. It fits all the standard crash bars for the Indians. If you have the mustache bar, all you got to do is swap it out for the standard crash bar. Super easy. Thanks for looking. Check these babies out.